Morning everyone, I welcome you all on behalf of my school, Pratawal School, Indora. Today we are going to talk about combustion and flame. We use different kinds of fuel for various purposes at home, in industry, and for running automobiles, as these fuels give energy to do work. These fuels produce heat energy mainly when they burn. So today we will study the chemical process of burning and its type, that is combustion. Let's start. What is combustion? It is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. It is also called a fuel. The fuel may be solid like coal, liquid like a petrol, or a gas like CNG. Sometimes light is also given off during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. Here is the word equation for this chemical process called combustion. Substance, when reacts with oxygen, it gives off heat and light. Combustible substances. Substances which burn in air to produce heat and light are called combustible substances. Example: wood, coal, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG, etc. Whereas the substances which do not burn in air to produce heat and light are called non-combustible substances. For example, stone, glass, etc. Conditions necessary for combustion are fuel, air to supply oxygen, heat to raise the temperature beyond the ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. It is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire, as different substances catch fire at different temperatures. A substance will not burn without one or more of these conditions. Next is the types of combustion. Rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosion, and one more we are having, that is slow combustion. Let us study about these types of combustion firstly through a video. Spontaneous combustion. If a substance burns itself due to contact with air, then the combustion is called spontaneous combustion. No external heat is to be supplied for the ignition. For example, phosphorus. Its ignition temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, so it catches fire itself on a hot day. Slow combustion. In slow combustion, a fuel burns slowly without a flame. For example, the burning of food material in our body to release energy is a type of slow combustion. Ignition temperature of candle, logs of wood, etc. are low, so they catch fire easily. Rapid combustion. If a fuel burns in a very short time to give a large amount of heat and light, it is called rapid combustion. Since ignition temperature of petrol, kerosene, etc. is very low, it catches fire very quickly. Explosion. In explosion, the substance burns suddenly with evolution of large amount of heat producing sound. For example, gunpowder. It completely burns up in a very short interval of time, which results in an explosion. So, let us again study about these types of combustion theoretically. Rapid combustion. As we have seen, in rapid combustion, substance burns rapidly and produces heat and flame. Example, combustion of natural gas, LPG, etc. And this is usually attained by introducing external heat. Substances which undergo rapid combustion have lower ignition temperature. Second, the spontaneous combustion. It is a type of combustion in which a material suddenly bursts into flames without the application of any apparent cause. As we have seen in the video, phosphorus catches fire as it kept open in the air because its ignition temperature is low, and due to it, as the temperature in hot day increases to 35 degrees Celsius, it catches fire itself. Some more examples of spontaneous combustion: forest fires. During extreme heat of summer, at some places, dry grass catches fire. From the grass, it spreads to trees, and very soon the whole forest is in fire. Second, coal dust in coal mines. So these are the examples of spontaneous combustion where the combustible substances catches fire itself due to their low ignition temperature. Next is the explosive combustion. We generally use firecrackers during festivals. When a cracker is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light, and sound, as you have seen in the video also. This reaction, where a large amount of gas formed is called explosive combustion or explosion. Explosion can also take place if pressure is applied on the cracker. Last is the slow combustion. It is the type of combustion which takes place at a very slow rate and at low temperatures. Example, respiration, that is, burning of food in our body when it reacts with oxygen and it produces energy. Second, rusting of iron. I hope the concept of combustion is clear to you. Thank you for being with me. Have a nice day.